Milk odors come from lactose fermentation, creating a sour smell. Act fast to prevent persistence. First, blot the spill immediately with paper towels or microfiber cloths. Do not rub, and act fast as time increases odor persistence. Then use enzymatic cleaners. These contain bacteria that digest milk proteins and eliminate the odor. Alternatively, use a 1-to-1 mix of baking soda and vinegar to neutralize acids and absorb odors. For stubborn smells, consider steam cleaning with a handheld extractor to remove embedded particles. Do not use ammonia-based cleaners, as they can worsen the odor. After cleaning, ventilate the car by opening windows and using fans to promote airflow. Place activated charcoal sachets or coffee grounds in the car overnight to absorb lingering smells. For a tech boost, portable ozone generators, smartphone app-controlled, or FDA-approved UVC lights can reduce bacterial odors. Brands like Woolite and EcoClean Labs offer effective enzyme-based sprays. To prevent future spills, use spill-proof cups or seat protectors. Remember, milk's acidic pH interacts with car materials, so pH-neutral cleaners are ideal. New trends include AI-powered odor detectors in apps and nanotechnology in cleaners for faster penetration. Stay ahead with sustainable, tech-integrated odor management.